I don't have any slides. I can't read on my screen because I had to use the... So, I will go to the next slide. I only have 3. I have Vim, not slides. So, apparently, that was not the right one. I made a small project using Haskell. I want to improvise electronic music. Is this the first? Yes, Lime. Don't ask about the name. It's a platform for creating interactive software for performing music and other signal-based things using only integer flows. Made it as DSL in Haskell, generates C++. I made it to have fun, and lots of hacks. Didn't intend to make any good code. I just want to make a music tool. DSL, I guess you guys can read. It's based on modules and connections. That's it. Modules have state. They have inputs and outputs. The outputs are range-based, and I statically verify that a connection is valid. There are many similar solutions to this. Actually, that's the next slide. So, why would I do this? I want to improvise live music with electronic instruments. Nothing that I found really fits what I want to do completely. I can use existing solutions. They're mostly visual-based. And I want to code in Vim and have static type checking. So it also allows me to use this project for making basically whatever I want, which could be hardware for, firmware for MIDI controller hardware, such as this thing. And yeah, I'm just going to throw these here. So now for a small demo. This is code. This is how it would look. This is a patch in my program. You can define instances of modules. You can also define them inline while you're connecting. And out comes C++ code that builds and runs. Can I run this? Let's see. If I run this, we will get a type error because 42 is not 30. This will be very hard. So I will search for 42. And there it is, 30. I will save. See, it compiles and it builds. Now we see the clocks, and we see I got 5 because at the bottom line here, we can see we have one signal chain, which is the counter, and the clock goes into it, and another signal chain, which is a constant that's triggered by the start bang. And we only want to react on the high signals, and then we write I got 5 on it when it's equal to 5. You can connect things very complex ways, and yeah. So this is these slides again. And there's another demo, which I can quickly do if I have a minute of time, which is to actually show what I have made, a small jam on my very tiny music studio. 1 second. Live demos are notoriously good to do. So, here we go. Next one. Okay, so. This one makes a very nice noise when you turn it on. This thing drops out the sound sometimes. I'm sorry about that. Okay, that's it. That's what I got. Sorry for the technical difficulties. First time I hold a presentation. I've been working on this off and on for a few years. I'm using Haskell in a very dirty way, lots of hacks, but I'm having a lot of fun. And this is only a very small part of my full setup. I have a lot of complex features that I've managed to build with this. I have about 8 different MIDI controllers at home that I run this on, and maybe soon there will be live streams on YouTube. Thanks.